Before you watch the video, check the Etsy link in the bio if you're interested in any of these items. If it's after February 2026, then the items are probably sold. These items are perfect if you didn't want the entire set and only wanted maybe one doll or one outfit. Good luck! Y'all, look who was delivered around 6 a.m. this morning. So I had to bring them to work because I didn't have time for an unboxing, but I wanted to look at them. Look at her, she's so pretty. I'm not a fan of the gold eyeshadow, but her nude lips, like her neutral lip, is so pretty, and I love her hair. And so yeah, I shall be unboxing and reselling very, very soon. And pretty sure she's a doll that I wanted to keep. But looking at her, she's pretty too. I'll definitely be selling the mermaid one.